Today we're making shrimp and spinach in coconut milk. So we'll be using jumbo shrimps. This is 500 grams. They've already been peeled and deveined. Of course, we'll use coconut milk. So this is 400 ml of coconut milk. Red onion. You have here 6 cloves of garlic and ginger, about the same amount. And about 500 grams of frozen spinach. Let's start by chopping our red onion. Last, let's slice the ginger. So, for my kids, they like the flavor of ginger, but they don't like biting into it. So to make sure that when they eat the dish, I want to make sure that they can see the ginger. So what I'm going to do, I'll slice it into very thin but big slices. So it will flavor the dish, but they don't have to eat it. And they can easily take it out. Okay. And organize it on a plate. Like so. Okay, now let's cook. A hot pan, add some oil. And put in your shrimps. Quick sear on each side. Lower the heat. Okay, got a good sear on those shrimps. So set them aside. Okay, so now we flavored the oil. Add a bit more. Saute your onions. Add in your garlic and your ginger. Add in your spinach. Okay, then add back your shrimps. Season with pepper. A lot of pepper and with salt. Give it a good mix and lay everything flat and add in your coconut milk. Okay, then fill your can of coconut milk with about 1/3 of water. Then get the remaining coconut milk, then add it. Season with a bit more salt, a bit more pepper. Let that reduce a bit. Okay, should be enough. Switch off the heat. Now let's taste. So I'll start with the spinach and a bit of the sauce. Really rich and creamy. I'll eat one of the shrimps. Maybe half. Add some sauce. It's really good. And we're done for the day.